Question 6. We want to solve for the unknown. So let's simplify our left-hand side and our right-hand side, although there's nothing really to do on the right-hand side. We have, so I'll take first, okay, so I'll try to simplify what's inside of these square brackets. Let me rewrite it here. Okay, so I will bring inside, so the half is going to give me the following. So a half times x, that's right here, and then a half times, okay, 1/3, and notice that you have the subtraction, so that stays. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so I have that. Now this, don't forget, it's inside of those brackets with a half in front. Okay, equals, so there's nothing really to do on the right hand side at the moment. Now I like to simplify as much as I can, so I'll collect the like terms here. So notice I have these two fractions, so I'll write it on the side for myself. So I will take -3/4, -1/6, and then there will be nothing to do with the term that has the x. So I can take these two. Now they don't have a common denominator, so you can find it. And also you can use your fraction button. So for those watching, your calculator, you can talk to your teachers as well. So it has numerous ways of writing a fraction. So this is one way that I have seen on a calculator. And this is another way. Sometimes you'll see it like this. So it just depends. You can ask. These ones are probably the most common. Okay? And then sometimes even you'll just have a regular fraction. Okay, so like that. So let's add those up together. So clear. So we have 3, so over 4 minus, and I slipped my mind, okay, minus 1/6, so 1/6, okay, so that is -11/12. So this is -11/12 plus 1/2 x. Okay, so what we have is a half. Okay, we have that. So -11/12 plus 1/2 x. Okay, so still I'm not doing anything on the right hand side at the moment. We can just rewrite the entire thing here. So now next what I will do is, So I have this negative a half, okay, which I can factor it in. So first negative times negative is positive. 1 times 11, so this is 11. 2 times 12, so that's 24. And then, so negative times a positive, so it becomes negative. And this is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so that's what we have there. All right. So we've simplified, so both left-hand side and right-hand side. And now we can rearrange. So what I'm going to do is, if you notice, I have a term with x and a term with x on the right-hand side, so I'll try to bring those two together. Okay. And then, so if I do that, okay, I'll bring this to the left-hand side. And then my term 11 over 24, okay, I'll bring on the right-hand side. So this will allow me to group the like terms together, so the ones with the unknown, and then just the numbers would be on the right-hand side. So if I do that, I will have negative 1 over 4x, that's this. And then it's, I bring the over, so it changes to a plus, equals. And then now on the right-hand side, I have the 1. Okay, and then minus 11 over 24. Okay, so notice what happens here. If you have a negative a quarter and plus a quarter, so we're actually going to get 0x here equals 2. And now you can take 1 minus 11 over 24. Okay, you can try it. And so for that, okay, so 1 minus 11 over 24, so you can use your fraction button there, so it's 13 over 24. You can do it in your head as well. And because of now the 0, and we have 13 over 24, this results in the fact that we will have no solution. Because 0 times x is just 0, and 0 will never equal to 13 over 24. So this question actually has no solution. Because even if we tried to divide by 0, okay, you may recall that the answer to this is undefined, because we cannot divide by the 0. And that is it. Okay, thank you for watching.